go to Google and type Distrokid. Then click on the website. Now you're at Distrokid. Go to the top and click Upload, then click Upload Music. So now you're here and you just go to the right side and click on Snapchat because why wouldn't you want your song there? Then you press yes, I own 100% of the publishing. But if you don't have all the rights to the song, then I guess don't do that. So let's just quickly go through everything. Number of songs, how many songs you want to upload. Has this been previously released? If not, then just ignore this. If yes, then you just find the original date. For example, your song was first released in 1980. Take note, so generally you're going to have a release date, but if you go to the top, and in this section you say, yes, this single has been released, and then you choose a previous date like 2013, then when you go down again, you're not going to see the release date anymore. So that's why when I made this video, you didn't see that. And once you set the release date, new stuff will pop up that you can read yourself. Release time and end time synchronization and then pre-order, but generally I just ignore all of this. So down here, they want you to upgrade to the ultimate, fastest, newest, and whatever, you can just ignore this. So down here, your artist or band name, you get that already. Then we have a Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, Instagram, Facebook, and if you first start releasing, they'll ask you, oh, do you have an official Spotify? Can you link it? Then after a while, after you release a lot of stuff, they'll be like, oh, okay, you're already verified in all of these places, then you can just glide through all of this. So down here, record label, I just put in my own fake label here. Then language, English. Then primary genre, pop and rock, whatever. And then there's a secondary genre. I don't know if that really helps, but it's just best to put it there anyway. So album cover, you have to read all the notes in the right. It says, 3000 by 3000, and then don't steal other people's stuff. So this is the song title, the song title. So is there any featured artist, If not, just ignore this. If yes, then you type in the name of the person that's featured and it will look like this. They'll just automatically put feat, which means featuring, when you upload it. So, if not, just ignore this. And then there's the normal version. If it's a normal version, it's just the song title. If there's a radio edit, then it'll be and then there's a bracket radio edit. And then you press other, there's like a funkified version or summer version or whatever, So down here, you upload your WAV file or MP3, but of course, WAV file is better quality. Then down here, Dolby or whatever, I just ignore this because if you have a specific version for this, Apple Music. If not, then just ignore this, Then Songwriter, if you wrote the song, then yeah, you wrote the song. If it's a cover song, oh boy, you have to read all of this, But if I make my own stuff, then, you just ignore that. Then the songwriter, you put your real name here, who wrote the music and lyrics, and then you can add another songwriter as well. And then explicit lyrics, if there's no bad words, then just ignore this. If yes, then, they'll have an E bracket next to your song. So in this one, they're asking you if there are two versions of this song. If not, then just ignore this. If you released this song before with bad words and the one you're uploading now is the same one that's clean, then choose yes. Down here, if it's an instrumental, then just press the second option. You can read all of this by yourself, So this part, preview clip start time. If you press this one, if you just ignore it, then the algorithms will decide what's the best part of your song. I don't know if you trust it or not, but it's up to you. If you press the other option, let me specify when the good part starts. For example, if your chorus starts in 1 minute 19 seconds, then just press 1 minute, then 19 seconds. Then when you go in Spotify and you press the preview, and then it will play that part of the song. So track price, no one's gonna buy music anyway, so you can put it any amount you want. You just put 69 there just to get a big haha. So after that, you can just ignore all of this. This is like they want you to pay for stuff and whatever. And just ignore that. Then you just press all of these boxes. Then press continue. Now it's verifying the album artwork and the WAV file. So now you're here, they want you to master it with something you need to pay for, but you can just use my original version and ignore this. After that, you'll be here and they'll just say, done, that was easy, wasn't it? Then they'll explain to you, when will this single be released? And then they'll just explain all the stuff, and then not all platforms are the same. Then down here, did you know, oh, people are showing videos, you want to pay for something, but you don't need to care about that. Then get to work, you can share your stuff on Twitter, Facebook, and whatever. Then you can go down here, you can add lyrics and then, put more music or whatever you want to do. So if this video was helpful, then like and subscribe.